Welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm on my way to Costco and I'm gonna take you with me. So let's go. So I don't have very much to get, at least I don't think I do, but we will see. But I'll also show you some of my favorite things to get at Costco. And I gotta show you these rims on this car behind me. Wow. Look at those. Look, Halloween costumes already, and it's a good price. And these are the good ones. They even have like muscles. Have any of you guys ever had these protein cookies? Let me know what you think of them, because I never know if I should buy them or not. It's my favorite. I love this flour, this organic flour, and it's such a good price. I've been pleasantly surprised by this product. Any of these chicken breasts, chicken is a good price, but beware, they are huge. They already have Christmas stuff and toys. I just got back from Costco and I'm so excited to show you some of the things that I got. Well, I'll show all of it, but I just wanted to show you first the paper towels. I'm laughing because Paul's texting me going, "What'd you get at Costco?" So paper towels, these are my favorite paper towels. Let me show you why. I literally just pulled off the very last one. So this is huge. So normally if I buy the Selecta size, they're like about right there, all the way down. Yeah, so the Costco Selecta size is really big and it's good for kids. So that way I can just like grab a little half sheet and then I'm cooking a quesadilla on it rather than a whole sheet. Yeah, so it saves money in the long run that way. And this is Traeger pellets. So they have been carrying a lot of Traeger stuff, different kinds of pellets. This one is a more, it's called the gourmet blend. So, and it also has like 33 pounds, but they're 20-pound bags of, they had like hickory and cherry, were like under $15, and this was 20. So usually it's like $20 for 20 pounds. I mean, so that I'm getting a little bit more, obviously, like 10, 13 more pounds for the same price, which I love. And I want to show you some of the freezer stuff before I need to put it away. So these were on sale. I love these mochis. Mochis, I think I'm saying it right. Yeah. And these ones have just vanilla, strawberry, and mango. My favorite flavors. Sometimes it has like a green tea one that I'm like, I'm not going to get that because I don't know what that would taste like. But I love those. And those are like $6. And I also bought a bag of organic frozen strawberries because I make my own jam and we're getting low. So I needed to buy one of these to make some more. Let me know down below if you want to see that recipe. So let me go put these away and then I'll start showing you what I got. Okay, so I picked up this thick sliced bacon. This is like my favorite bacon. So it's got a good taste, it's nice and thick, and it's like, it's gonna last a bit. So instead of getting like 2 to 3 slices of the thin, 1 to 2 of these and I'm totally good. So this was $12, so they're like 6, there's 2 packs. 6 each, which these easily go for $7 to $9 in the grocery stores. Okay, these were on sale. We are fans of these chicken skewers. They have a good flavor, so we can put them in the refrigerator or into the freezer, use them when we want to. But they are on skewers, so you just heat them up. And what I've done is just make some vegetables and rice and just put it right on top. With these soccer nights, easy dinners are the way to go for this season. So this is a really yummy and healthy way to eat. Can't go to Costco without getting my butter. Woo, woo. I love their butter. And it's so inexpensive. Like, I want to say it's like $7.99 for all of this, which makes it like $2 for one of these. Now you can't even get a sale price. I mean, it's very rare to get a $2 for one pack of butter, but I mean, I guess it does happen. Not very often. Their cheese is a good price. It's under $5. So that is good. Actually, we're using less cheese lately, which I'm happy about. That's fine. These are my favorite tortillas. So there's 2 packs in here. These are also $6. 2 packs in here of 18, and oh, maybe more, because the organic ones were 18. Looks like there's 22. And so I just heat them up, cook them over. They're very quick to cook, like a minute on each side, if that. And then I let them cool, put them in a freezer bag, and just keep them in the refrigerator, and we just use them up pretty quickly. So Ezra loves quesadillas, and these ones have a really good homemade taste. All right, I picked up the Orgain. I knew I needed to buy some more. We were getting low on the other ones, and Paul has been using it with almond milk, and I have been using it with an organic soy milk, and so yummy. So this one's a really good taste. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, all the free, and it's organic, low sugar, all of that. So happy about that. So not only does Costco have, like I showed you, the costumes, it has like clothes. So I was looking at the clothes, just seeing if I can find something for Jonas. Sometimes with that back to school stuff, yeah, no, they didn't have anything for Jonas, but I got Paul and I some joggers. They were under $15 each, and they are very good quality. So I'm excited to show him those. Plus, I picked up a pair of shoes for me. These were only $20, and you can see that they are the Skechers walk ones, and you know I do lots of walking, and currently I wear sandals. So, but it's gonna start getting cooler, and I just want, like, these have like a memory foam bottom, so I want to just be really comfortable while I'm walking. And for $20, I was actually gonna go to the outlets. We have some Skechers outlets nearby, and I wanted to go to take a look over there, and now I don't have to. Woo! All right. I also picked these up. They were on sale for like $6.50-ish, and these are gluten-free. So we are big fans of these popcorners. My favorite, the kettle corn, of course. But these are all very good as well. So I'm hoping Paul will just take some for lunch too. Okay, let me put these away, and then I'll show you what else we got. Oh, I found something else that needs to go into the freezer. These are the grilled chicken teriyaki bowls. It would be very good for dinner, or mostly for Paul to take to lunch. So I do know that teriyaki sauce has gluten in it. So sometimes Paul doesn't put it in his bowl. I totally leave it up to him because it comes on the side. So very good. Picked up some more eggs, which, you guys, Jonas has been eating eggs. I'm so happy. So if I make extra baked potatoes, which I do whenever I make them, I will the next morning slice them up and fry them in a little bit of butter and add a couple eggs in it, and he loves that. That's a really good breakfast for him. So happy. We're starting to use more eggs. And then look at this big thing of yogurt, you guys. Our family's been going through lots of yogurt. We go through spurts with yogurt too. It's kind of funny. So sometimes we'll have them, and then I'll buy something like this, and then it'll sit in the fridge. So hopefully they don't. This big container was $9.99. So it's got peach, strawberry, and vanilla, which are all of our faves. And love buying these big bag of tortilla chips. They last a long time, and they're $3.89. I mean, they're so inexpensive. Plus, I had to get them because we just got some salsa from a friend, so I have to make sure we eat it because it's fresh. So I'm so excited to have it. In fact, that's why I have to announce it right now, because Ezra wants to have some salsa. Okay, and then there's things that I had to buy, like we're running low on the kids' vitamins. I had to buy some more of these paper masks. So these ones are at least black, so it's kind of fun to have something a different color, but I want them paper because when Jonas goes to school, I have him throw them away before he walks in the house, because I don't even want those in the house, because, you know, we have Ezra at home, and so I just want him to not be so exposed. So these are 75 masks for $10. That's actually cheaper than when I bought some at Target. So I only got like 25 for like 7. Yeah, better buy it at Costco. All right, let me get ready to do the last part. Woohoo! All right, I got some English muffins. These are my favorite muffins to put with those sausage patties that I get from Walmart. Add a cracked egg in there, like cooked up, little cheese if you want, and you have like even better than a McDonald's McMuffin. Really, it is delicious. So I'll probably make some of those ahead of time so that Jonas could just heat one up right before school. And then I picked up some Raisin cinnamon bread. This is gonna be for a future recipe, so stay tuned. And of course, we have to get Grandma Sycamore bread. This is like $4.69 for the 2, and they're easily $3 each, so saving some money. Okay, my favorite cooking spray. You guys, this is like, I don't know, like $5. It's so inexpensive. These are ginormous and they last a long time. So this is perfect. We're getting into fall season right now, and so lots of baking involved. So this is exactly what I need. I'm on my last one now. Okay, I love their sea salt. It's a couple dollars for this sea salt, and I love having it on hand. And I picked up some of these honey bunches of oats. They were on sale for like in the $3 range. So I had to get some. I love this flavor. I know these aren't gluten-free, but between myself and the boys, they will be eaten. And then this was also on sale. These cans of soup, they're just chicken noodle. It says Simply Campbell, and it's got protein, it's got white meat. Something else that caught my attention, the broth. Oh, bone broth. So it's made with the chicken bone broth, which I love that. And so these were only like $6 on sale as well. And I thought with, soccer nights that we could cook up like, a few of them or whatever with some grilled cheese maybe. Just something to kind of have quickly before we leave. I personally love homemade chicken noodle soup, and I have a really good recipe. But for the quick dinners or whatever, that just seems like a really good idea for an 8-pack. And then I picked up these little sweeties. So I am a fan of all of this. So coconut, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. I love quinoa, but it was chocolate. So what do you say? I should try it? Of course, right? So I got these mostly for Paul. I actually had the ones without the chocolate. And then I saw these around the corner and I'm like, putting those back, the plain ones for the chocolate. That is so good, you guys. I love the dark chocolate with the coconut, and the other stuff is just bonus. All right, that is a good buy. I have been looking for, I saw it that in certain Costco's that they have the chocolate banana almond drink. So if you go to Costco, let me know down below if you see that at your Costco. Maybe it's coming my way. We'll see. So thanks so much for going with me to Costco. Let me know down below if you're gonna try some of these things or some of these things you've never heard of, or that you just like the Costco haul. Well, I'm so glad that I was able to go. Have a wonderful day, rollers. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.